All right. In terms of using AI for Bible study, I believe that AI is like a two-edged sword or a knife, either used by the good guy or used by the bad guy, all depend on who is the user. And imagine the knife is in the operation theater handled by the doctor is to save people. If the knife carried by a robber is to rob people or murderer is to kill people. You can kill or you can heal, all depend on the motives that you use. If you are using to help people, it will be a great tool to help others. But if you were to use it to harm people, it also can be a great damage. So therefore, AI being used, I think most of the people uh, majority use AI. If the good people do not use AI, then the AI can be destructive. But I would like to encourage for Bible believing Christian to use AI so that it really can save us a lot of time, and we can use the time for visitation, for human interaction in therefore, you save a lot of time. Therefore, you can increase more interaction or more help lah, or talk to people. So therefore, I just create a, a, a Google account just for any AI subscription or any other unimportant subscription, so that it will not mix with my important Google account. If hacker was to hack into my Google account for testing or AI purpose, it doesn't im- have impact on my important Google accounts. So I created a testing account for AI purpose as well as for other AI platform. Like in this case, I use five different AI because each of the AI have their own strength and weaknesses. So in terms of even same question we ask, uh, if we ask different AI had different answers. So we just pick the best from one of the few of the AI should imagine when before I ask the AI, I always set the setting that as Bible believing Christian. So the rest are just my question, whatever question they want to put, or maybe or other question. Even can uh, ask to suggest suggest sermon outline or message, even message. So from different, uh, we 45 minutes speaking. Even you can ask to prepare. Of course, we have to pray before we pray to God for help and before we ask AI. So this is the thing lah that I do. It'll be good that every time you ask AI, you provide this clause, this sentence, so that you will answer according to Bible believing Christians stand, not with any other position. So this is my position. So after I ask, I can ask any question as long as I set my position right. Otherwise, you answer wrongly. So this is just an example to show you how I usually even have a devotion or even have my hearing or messages. I always use AI for comparison. Like if I have listened to a message, I have five AI and ask the same question and just pick the best from them lah, out of them. So I just paste it and then ask, what is the background of the Deuteronomy in the Bible? What are the applications that we can learn? What is the main theme and sub-themes that can be divided from the book of Deuteronomy? So it just give me all this. This is the I'm using OpenAI, ChatGPT. So I'm also asking the same question in Perplexity. Perplexity, the advantage of Perplexity is that you can check the source that it give you the source that it take reference from. So usually I would believe more on Perplexity because I can see what are the sources that it takes from. So it say it take from the Bible believing source. So I only compare the answer lah from this various source. You see, it gives you the source that it takes from. So I go to answer, and then it give me all this answer. So many, and then you can even go for further. And then I ask the same question in DeepSeek, and then same thing. Just generate and Copilot. So I'm not giving you the details because this is not my purpose. My purpose is just to show you how I do it. The detail is up to you to check. So I just show you how I do it. Then then go back and take reference. See which one that God want me to take reference from. And in fact, from this, based on this foundation, imagine around this, I have other illumination that God gave me. I will also do some changes. For instance, like let's say I'm using it for my devotion. All right. So in my devotion, I can copy all this answer and insert to my devotion as a note. My devotion, I show my devotion. Let's say I take devotion, this my Chinese note, okay. English one, okay. Because I have all the whole Bible version on the document format under WPS Office, so I can just click here and I just insert the comment. All right. So I just insert comment. Wait, let me reduce the size so they can see clearly. I just insert comment and paste my comment. Those notes that I copy from AI. So I just put a note. Wait, okay, I scroll up. I try to scroll up. Okay. Okay, so this is from OpenAI. I just put a note, OpenAI. This is the notes that I get from. So I insert comment. All right, insert comment. This under WPS Office. If I want to, with the same question, if I want to add other AI, I just put a reply to this comment. This is another. So the second one I used was Perplexity. All right. So I just go there to copy. Maybe I use share. Oh, okay, copy from Perplexity, and I go back, and then I just click a reply here. I paste. I just put Perplexity for uh, Perplexity AI. So I just paste whatever notes that I copy from Perplexity. So this will be my future reference if there is a breakdown on network, I won't be able to access AI anymore. So at least I have all these notes available in my document file, which I store carry with me in my thumb drive, so I can always come here to check all my notes. This is a new file, so I just use it for demo purpose. Even in for future, I were to have devotion, I can use it for my reference. So I just copy and I go to DeepSeek. Of course, I don't show you the process that I am thinking and comparing how do I insert that. I just show you how I get all these notes. Later, we can we can later we can I mean it's up to you. You can compare it and then for future reference, okay, for future study. So this is the way that I do lah for my devotion, and I now I'm not reading to you, but I just show you how I do it. So this is my own personal reading. I read later. So that's how I do. And even for listening to like even if we have attending service, if we can take notes on the speaker, what the speaker talked about, so we can always do it even on the handphone. With the WPS Office apps are on the handphone, I also can add comment. And on the handphone, I also can uh, write my reference, whatever that the message. Let's say I attend the service, English service. Let's say for what day and what time, by what speaker, after ABC, and what is the topic, like a background, or the book. So I can just add my notes in the comments. So in future, when I refer to it, I know that this is one. Yeah, anything to add, I can always add the reply, and then for future reference, and then add on maybe Christmas service, 25, 27, 28, 12. So this is your future of my future notes. So this is I think advantage for our study using AI, so that we can make a comparison of all these notes and pick the best that the Lord want us to take. Because if we were to prepare message, it takes about 40 hours for my time. But if we were to ask AI, it takes about 40 seconds. What to do with the rest of the time? We can use the rest of the time to have more interaction with other brethren in Christ. And I think that, of course, with this 50, 40 seconds, we still can have, we still need time to read out and still need time to reorganize and sort out all the main points or whatever. This is just a demo that how I use for my uh, preparation of the note. So if you want to have a new one, you can always ask a new one and just put, of course, good to put this Bible believing Christian. Then what can be the background of prodigal son in Luke 15? So you just add on. So you just show you all this. So I think I still prefer the AI from Perplexity because they give you the source. So in order not to mix up with the old conversation, it would be good that to create a new one so that you will not mix the answer will not mix with the previous question. So you create a new question, and then you ask again. So you start a new question and give you a new answer without mixing with the previous question. So this perplexity lah, so that you gives you even the rest what are the source they taken from. See all this. So you can even further study of all this. I think it's quite a good tool. If you set the question right, you'll be let's always put this at the beginning as Bible believing Christian. And then you ask the question or what you want. Even can prepare a sermon. Uh, what is the sermon regarding is for 45 minutes sharing. So you can even prepare like sound lines, all this. So you can prepare even for the whole, even the title or whatever. So you just, I think it will be a good tools for us, for those who teach Bible, can make comparison and take the best from one of the AI. So it's a great tools for and save a lot of time so that we can use the time for other uh, for human interaction as for Bible sharing.